Welcome back to MotorNation. In today's episode, we explore the ultimate king of off-road adventures, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4XE, now with a powerful plug-in hybrid. Buckle up and get ready to dive into its incredible features and capabilities. Starting with its rugged exterior. This off-road beast stands out with its iconic 7-slot grille and bold LED headlights that ensure visibility in the darkest trails. The Rubicon 4XE boasts massive 33-inch, all-terrain tires wrapped around stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, giving it a commanding presence on any terrain. The high-clearance front and rear bumpers are designed for optimal approach and departure angles, making rock crawling a breeze. The Rubicon 4XE also features rock rails and skid plates to protect the underbody from rough trails. The new fender flares and rugged side steps enhance its aggressive look, while providing practical protection. And let's not forget the removable doors and roof, allowing you to experience the open air while tackling the toughest landscapes. The power dome hood with Rubicon decals not only adds a distinctive look, but also signals the raw power underneath. The distinctive blue tow hooks and accents around the vehicle highlight its eco-friendly hybrid nature without compromising its adventurous spirit. The Wrangler Rubicon 4XE comes with a trail-rated badge, showcasing its ability to perform exceptionally in 5 key areas: traction, water fording, maneuverability, articulation, and ground clearance. With the integrated rock rails and reinforced skid plates, you can take on the most challenging trails with confidence. The premium exterior features, including a robust set of tow hooks and a winch-ready front bumper, ensure you're fully equipped to pull yourself or your friends out of any sticky situation. Focusing on its impressive interior and features, the moment you step inside, you're greeted with a blend of rugged durability and modern technology that defines this off-road king. The cabin features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats with striking contrast stitching, offering both comfort and style. The front seats are heated, ensuring a cozy ride even on the coldest adventures. The driver's seat is power adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect driving position with ease. The Rubicon 4XE's interior is equipped with a state-of-the-art Uconnect 5 infotainment system, displayed on a large 8.4-inch touchscreen. This system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation, keeping you connected and on the right path, no matter where the trail takes you. The vehicle also features a premium Alpine audio system with 9 speakers and an all-weather subwoofer, delivering crystal-clear sound throughout the cabin. A unique feature of the Rubicon 4XE is its customizable 7-inch digital instrument cluster, providing key vehicle information at a glance. This display includes vital hybrid system data, such as battery charge status and electric range, ensuring you stay informed about your vehicle's performance. For those who love open-air driving, the Rubicon 4X offers a range of options, including the easy-to-use Sky One Touch power top, removable freedom panels, and a fold-down windshield. These features allow you to experience the thrill of nature while remaining comfortably seated inside your capable Jeep. Moving on to the engine and performance, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4XE boasts a powerful 2.0-litre i4DOH CDI turbofev engine, complemented by a sophisticated plug-in hybrid battery system. This combination produces an impressive 375 horsepower and a robust 470 pound-feet of torque, ensuring exceptional performance in various driving conditions. The advanced hybrid setup not only enhances power, but also delivers a remarkable combined mileage of 49 miles per gallon equivalent, making it both eco-friendly and efficient. The Rubicon 4SE is built for adventure, offering a seamless blend of power and economy. Its impressive torque ensures that you can tackle steep inclines and rough terrains with ease, while the electric motor provides immediate responsiveness for a smooth and controlled ride. Additionally, the Wrangler Rubicon 4XE features a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds, making it an ideal choice for hauling gear, trailers, or even small boats. Moving on to the off-road capabilities, first up is the factory-installed winch. Tied to the available steel front bumper, the new factory-installed Warn winch boasts an impressive 8,000-pound capacity, ensuring you can handle unexpected moments on the trail with confidence. Drive over logs, rocks, or just about anything else on the trail, thanks to exceptional ground clearance and protective underbody skid plates. Tried, tested, and proven performance. Trail-rated capability bravely takes adventure into the unknown. Power can be misapplied when rock crawling, causing the wrong wheels to spin. Front and rear true lock electronic locking differentials lock and evenly distribute power for impressive traction. The Command Track part-time 4x4 system delivers torque to all four wheels for incredible traction, and with a 2.72:1 low range for rock, crawling and neutral for available flat towing, you can say yes to all kinds of adventure. In conclusion, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4XE seamlessly combines Jeep's legendary off-road capability with modern hybrid technology. It's powerful, efficient, and eco-friendly, making it an ideal choice for both adventure seekers and daily drivers. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4X. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more automotive updates. See you next time.